Hi guys, I'm Ankit. In this video, we shall see another problem on LeetCode. Reverse prefix of a word. So given zero index string and character, reverse the segment of the word that starts at the index zero and ends at the index or the first occurrence of that character. So if the character is not present in the string in the word, then do nothing, just return the existing word itself. So if you see the first example ABCDFD, these are the letters present in the word, and the character which we need to look for is D. So D must be, we have to look for the first occurrence of D. So if in case, let's say the example we have is A, B, C, D, E, F, D, H. You could see two D's are there, but we have to reverse the part of the string where the first occurrence of D occurs. From the starting till the first occurrence of this part. This is what we need to reverse. That will be D, C, B, A. And rest would remain the same. E, F, D, H. So this is the question. So how do we solve this? So what we can do is A, B, C, D, E, F, right? So we can start iteration. Check whether A is equal to D. No. Move the pointer. Whether B is equal to D? No. Move the pointer. C equal to D? No. D equal to D? Yes. When you found D equal to D, just break from the stop the loop and store this index before breaking it. Let's say index equal to I. So here I is nothing but 0, 1, 2, 3, 3. So from 0 to 3, we have to reverse. So how do we reverse? For reversing, if you take 0 to 3 indexing letters, characters, so we'll have one pointer here, another pointer here. So if we start a loop, I equal to 0, I will point here. This is 0 and this is 3. How do you get 3? That is nothing but the index, whatever you have, that is 3, minus I if you do, that is nothing but 3, right? So if you are at B, you have to compare it with C. So B is nothing at index 1. And if you do 3 minus 1 equal to 2, which is which is the index of the letter C. So what you do is you have to check if the word of I, okay, not if, word of I should be reversed with word of n minus I, index minus I mean, ending index whatever you minus I. So A and D, how do you swap? What we can do? So we will temporary character, in that we'll store the word of 0, that is nothing but A. Now we can modify word of 0 to word of 3, that is nothing but D. Now word of D, word of T will be equal to word of 0, but it is being stored in character C. So this is how you reverse. Next again. So you have to do the iteration until index by 2, because till here it is enough. If it is odd also, that's not a problem. A, B, C, D, E if you have. And E is the character which you need to find. This is enough. C, of course, you can either give lesser than or equal to index by 2 or lesser than index by 2 is also fine. Even means equal size, odd means, yeah, same point, it will point and stop the loop. So, yeah, shall implement the logic. So, first let's write the size, then let's have an index equal to -1 and iterate over the word. So, check if word of I is equal to the character which you required. Then if that is the case, just break from the loop. So but before breaking from the loop, what we need to do is we'll have to store index equal to -1. Sorry, I. So and they have told if the character is not found in the array, in this word, then you do nothing. That means if the index equal to -1 itself, you don't find any index I of the character, then just return the given word itself. Here need not to do the further things. Okay. If you find an index, if index is not equal to -1, then again you have to do the iteration index by 2 and I plus plus. Now here what we need to check, you have to reverse. For reversing, what we need to do, let's say character c equal to word of I, and we'll modify word of I equal to word of index minus I. Now you can modify word of index minus I to word of I which is stored in C, because word of I is being modified here as well. But before modifying, we store it in a character C. Yeah, that's it. We shall return a word. This is not necessary. If you don't give also, it works. This condition will become false and it will not run the loop. Okay, because index is -1 by 2 means it's already less than 0. So it won't run the loop. Okay, let me just check what mistake I have made. Yeah, I told less than index by 2, that is causing the issue here. Because if you have ABCD, if I run this and you can see the answer. See, D and C are not reversing. The last D and E. D and A, B and C. Yeah. D and A are reversing, but when it comes to B and C, it's not less than index by 2. No? The condition becomes false and it will not run. So we have to give equals to so that all the conditions are taken care of. Now we will submit this. Yeah. And for Java also, same logic applies. Here you use character at I function, then you create a convert the word into a array of characters and iterate over the array of characters to reverse it, and at last you create new instance of that array and return the string. So we should submit this. Yes, successfully submitted. If you understood the concept, please do like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We'll come up with another video in the next session. Until then, keep learning.